Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Tiyasha Ghosh reading in class 8 of Kendriya Vidyalaya Tarakeshwar. So sometimes I post many drawing videos on my YouTube channel because I have interest in drawing, but today's topic is a little bit different. I am present here to give you some tips about how we can speak confidently, easily and without fear in front of audience or public. So let's start. On hearing the word stage fear, the first question will come in your mind that what stage fear actually means. The fear that performers have while performing their performance on stage is known as stage fear. So, what are the reasons behind it? Because everything have a particular reason. The reasons behind it are humiliation, preparations, nervousness, physical appearance in front of audience, negative thoughts and negative results, interest of people in your speech, rules and regulations, unknown rule or unknown act, and your mistakes. So these are the reasons behind it. So does stage fear really go away? Yes, stage fear can go away if we try our best. If we give our 100% to get rid of this fear, then we can. Do you want to get rid of the stage fear? If yes, then watch the full video, like, share and subscribe the channel. To get rid of this stage fear, at first we have to get rid of nervousness because nervousness plays a major role in stage fear and nervousness is one of the reasons behind it. So to get rid of this nervousness, at first we have to find the reasons behind it. So the reasons are scattered thoughts, diverted mind, and no preparation. So, to get rid of this nervousness at first, we have to follow few steps. They are: think positive, let all your negative thoughts go away. Be prepared for the work you are going to do. Try various relaxation techniques. Talk to someone. Listen to calm and soft music. Practice regular deep breaths. Believe in yourself. Don't expect perfection in your work. Meditate regularly about 15 minutes and always say, I can. So if you can follow, then another point is how to keep our mind calm before performance. And this is very important for you and me also. So there are also following steps which you can apply. They are: be prepared. Don't be afraid. Physic up yourself. Learn always to chill. And look after yourself. From now onwards, I speak on any topic in front of public. Sometimes what happens with us that we don't know what to say and we get confused and afraid. This is because when we don't have any mental plan that what to say after. In writing, we have time to organize our thoughts in a particular order, but speaking doesn't work like that. We have to speak directly what we are thinking right now. So we have to remember some questions. They are: understand the topic, that what the topic actually means. Second, importance of topic, that why the topic is important. And third is some examples and instances of the topic. So let's come to the next point. Team these three questions with correct intonation, correct rate of speaking, and effective words and expressions. On hearing the word intonation, you will think that what does it mean? The rise and fall of your voice while speaking is known as intonation. Then how to intonate? Because everything has a process. They are: give stress to the keywords, the words which are important or effective. Don't give stress to the boring words. Third is say comfortably and easily. Make sure that all the words are spelled properly and the range of your voice is high. So these are some common techniques each and every speaker use while speaking on any topic. And also raise your voice while speaking closed-ended questions. Also, there are few examples. One sentence is positive and another is negative. The negative sentence is we have lost. In case of negative sentence, the sentence is we have lost the match. Oh, that's a bad news. But if we speak it like this, we have lost the match. Oh, that's a bad news. This tone of speech doesn't match with the situation. But if we speak it like this, we have lost the match. Oh, that's a bad news. This tone of speech matches with the situation. In case of positive sentence, the sentence is we have won the match. Wow, congratulations. So if we speak it like this, we have won the match. Wow, congratulations. This tone of speaking doesn't match with the situation because the sentence is positive, but if we speak it like this, we won the match. Wow, congratulations. This tone of speaking matches because this is a positive sentence. It is very important to have people's interest in your speech. Sometimes you can make it funny, sometimes you can make it serious, sometimes you can make it professional, sometimes energetic, etc. By using right tone and right expression in each and every situation. So now we are going to discuss about the rate of speech. Rate of speech means the rate of speed of speaking measured in words per minute. Maximum rate of speech will have to be 120 to 150 words per minute. So I think now you can understand that what I am trying to say, and now you are thinking, yeah, right? At last, you have to do the conclusion of your speech by recalling the main points and by recapturing the essence of your speech. So at last moment, I want to tell that you please apply these techniques and you will definitely get success. If you have any specific question, write it down in the comment section. And let's meet on next video. Till then, stay safe and bye-bye.